Hello, orchestra. We are on page 17. We are going to learn a new note today, a new string on our instrument for violins, violas, and cellos. Basses, you've already learned this note. We're also going to be practicing whole notes, so our super slow bow speed to play whole notes. We're going to practice that. And then we're going to practice playing these songs. As we play them, there'll be a skill where we have to balance, we have to move the stick. See how I'm teeter-tottering on the strings here? Okay, when we're playing the D string and switch to the A string, we have to teeter-totter over. You have to move the stick, end of the stick where our hand is, down to get to the A string. Now, G is over here, okay? On a violin anyway, it's the biggest and fattest string on your instrument. Notice I've got to tip the bow up to get over to that string. And I can do that just by bringing my hand up to get to the G string. Bring it a little bit lower for the D and a little lower for the A. All right, so moving down the page, we'll take a look at line 76 first. Listen to me play. I've got to go from my thumb to the tip in 4 beats. Watch. Down, 2, 3, 4. See that how slow I had to go? Now most of you, your first time will probably go down, 2, 3, 4. Notice you're still supposed to be playing on 2, 3, and 4, but you ran out of bow. You have no more bow to use unless you go back up bow. And we're not going to do that. So you have to slow the bow down, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so move the bow real slow and gentle across the string. All right, let's give it a try. Line number 76. Place the bow onto the D string by your thumb, in between the bridge and the fingerboard, right in the middle there. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3. Now the A, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. And up, 2, 3, 4. Practice that line, especially where it switches from the D to the A. You might find that to be a little tricky for you. Okay, line 77, 3-speed mastery memorization line. We've got slow whole notes in this song. We've got half notes, which are a little faster, and we've got quarter notes where we move the bow even quicker. Starting position and rest, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3. Repeat. Down, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 78, go, G, go. Here's where we're going to reach on over, or we're going to lift our bow up, violins, violas, cellos, and we're going to grab that nice low-sounding G string. Rest, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, G, 4, G, 2, G, 4. Rest, rest. G, up, rest, rest. G, G, 2, up, 4, down, 2, up, 4, down, 2, lift and set. Down, 2, lift and set. Repeat. Down, 2, up, 4. All right, I didn't remind you that there were some lift and sets in that song, but I hope you got them. I hope you saw them. Practice that song a little extra to get better at it. Line 79, Grand G Tango. I will be saying the letter names now, like G, G, D, D. I won't be saying down and up any longer, since we're reading a lot of different notes to play. So just so you know, you can start saying the note names. You can again watch me play first if you want, or you can try to play along. Rest, 2, ready, go. And G, G, D, D, G, 2, G, 4, G, D, G, 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 2, lift and set. G, 2, G, 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 2, G, G, D, rest, rest. G, 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 lift and set. G, G, D, D. Now notice at the end we have a lift and set. We don't have much time to do it. We only have a quarter rest to do it. So we have to go lift and set quickly rather than lift and set. Lift and set. All right. All right, again, that's a good one to practice, so give it some time. All right, 2 more songs on this page. Waves, sight reading line. The word sight reading means that you have never played it before. You've never practiced it. So you look through the song with your eyes. That's an okay and acceptable thing to do. The rules of sight reading are look through, study it in your mind, and then play it from sight, meaning you've never practiced it before. All right, so look ahead as you prepare to cross the strings. So while you're playing one note like G at the beginning, those 4 G's, your eyes can actually be looking ahead and preparing your mind to switch to the half note D's. Look at the note, but don't just stare at the note you're playing. So try to look ahead. All right, everyone get ready? And rest, 2 on the G, go. G, 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 D, 2, D, 4, D, 2, D, 4, G, G, rest, rest. Rest, rest. G2, lift and set. G, G. And so on. There's a little pencil work here for you on this page. What we're going to be doing is finding where the bar lines are supposed to go. What's a bar line, Mr. Edwards? What are you talking about? Well, a measure, we've talked about measures way back on page 4, and in between the measures is this line. That's called the bar line. Oftentimes you can call a measure a bar. It's kind of a word that means the same thing, okay? Measure or bar. So you could call this a bar line or a measure line, all right? So where do the measure bar lines go? Well, the time signature is the key. That's what tells us the rule for where the bar measure line goes. Our time signature is 4/4. The top number is the important number. It tells you that there are 4 beats in each measure. So where will the bar line go? After every 4 beats. Let's see if we can do a little bit of this together. I'll turn on my neat little painter brush here. We have a quarter note, a half note, and a half note. Where do you think the bar line should go? Well, quarter note, 1, quarter note, there's another beat, half note. How many beats is a half note? 2. So let's count that up, do a little math. We got 1 here, and 2 there. That's a total of 4. Guess what? That's where the measure line's going to go then, right between those 2 half notes. Now we start counting again. Half note, 1, 2, a half note rest, 3, 4, and boom, there are our next 4 beats. Okay, so write in the measures with your pencil, draw them in wherever they're supposed to go, and then try playing the song. All right? All right, have fun with that. Thank you.